Hi, lovely students. My name is Christina and welcome to English with Christina. So in the next 5 minutes, you're going to learn why we use certain adjectives with certain prepositions, like interested in or similar to. Let's have a look at these examples to see how adjectives are used with prepositions. I'm interested in a new project. My opinion is similar to yours. My neighbor is angry about the party. Let's get into the grammar explanation. Well, some adjectives go with certain prepositions, yet there are no strict grammatical rules for which preposition is used with which adjective. For this lesson, you need your notebook and your brain. Let's get down to the business. The preposition is followed by a noun or gerund form. With the preposition about, we often use adjectives of feelings like angry, excited, happy, nervous, sad, stressed, worried. Well, this is a way to explain what is causing that feeling. I'm angry about the decision. He's nervous about the presentation. She's excited about the new job. They were worried about the exam. However, sometimes we use of with feelings as well. For example, she was afraid of telling the truth to her mom. I'm frightened of having an accident. He's scared of flying. You should be proud of your progress. Used to show connection between people or things. He's married to a dentist. She's addicted to her food. I'm allergic to nuts. The new movie is similar to the old one. We can also use it to talk about someone's behavior towards someone else. They were friendly to me. Was he nice to you? He's always polite to everyone. But 4, exercise is good for you. Stress is bad for you. The town is famous for its cheese. I'm responsible for the financial side of the business. With the preposition in, they want someone who's experienced in design. I didn't want to get involved in the argument. So don't forget to subscribe, check out my website, easyenglishwithchristina.com for more exercises.